Dissolving a business in the Philippines involves several steps and requirements. Owners or shareholders must internally decide to dissolve the company, typically through a resolution or meeting. Next, liquidate assets by selling inventory, settling debts, and distributing remaining assets to shareholders. Obtain clearance from the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, after a tax examination to clear tax liabilities. Submit required documents to the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, including a letter request, certified SEC certificates of dissolution copies, and prescribed fee payment. The process can be complex and time-consuming, often requiring legal or accounting assistance to ensure compliance. For voluntary dissolution, there are different methods depending on whether creditors are affected or not. Liquidation can be done by the corporation, a liquidator, or by court order in certain cases. BIR clearance is necessary before completion. SEC document submission includes various documents depending on the business entity, such as board resolution, amended articles of incorporation, financial statements, director's certificate, BIR clearance, and business permit. The specific requirements vary, and legal professionals or government agencies can provide accurate information.